Hey guys, Syed here. So today I'll be sending my car, the Subaru Forester XT, for an oil service. Okay, just a regular oil service, regular servicing basically. Before we go, I think it's important that every car owner, I feel they should have a go-to mechanic or go-to workshop for them to go to when they have problems with their car. So reason for that is very simple, because when you face a problem with your car, you can just call one person and then you can ask them what's going on. For example, you're driving down the highway or something and you hear some whirring sound or some metal clunking sound, you can straight away call your go-to mechanic or go-to workshop and then say, hey, I'm facing this problem, when can I do you have any ideas like what's going on with the car, or when can I send it for a service, this kind of thing. So yeah, I'll be going to the workshop shortly, and I'll show you guys the workshop that I usually go to. So today we are at Syncrowerkz. Okay, this shop is located at Toh Guan. So this is where I usually go and get my car checked or car serviced. So yeah, that's how the shop looks like. By the way, I apologize if the audio is a bit soft or if my background is a bit too noisy. This is a workshop after all, so they are doing work on the cars and stuff, so yeah, sorry about that. And check this out, they have an Audi S5. This is not the 3-litre V6 version, this is the 4.2-litre V8 version of the Audi S5, as you can see here. And you can see the calipers as well. Beautiful car. This is actually one of my dream cars. Audi S5 4.2-litre V8. So they just put in some engine flush to let the engine rinse first, and they're gonna jack up the car in a bit. By the way, this is the one that I'm gonna be using, the Creamoly 5W40. So this is a sample of the inspection checklist that they use. So when you send your car for servicing, they're gonna do all these checks, bonnet, quarter panels, all that, engine bay, check engine oil level. Yeah, you can see for yourself, these are all the checks that they're gonna use. They even check your brake pads, how much meat your brake pads have left, tire pressure, and all that stuff. So it's a very, I would say, quite a thorough check to make sure your car is in good shape before you drive it off. So they are jacking up the car. So when they are servicing my car, when they were checking the tire pressure, they realized that it's a bit too high. So we are gonna readjust it to make sure my tire pressure is correct. by the way, if you want to know which service I went for, on their website here you can see they have a lot of service packages here, and I went for the under Asian engine oil servicing. I went for this premium special tech which cost 169. Yeah, I got a $5 discount. So yeah, I went for this service. Okay, so if you're driving a similar car, a turbocharged Asian car, then yeah, this is probably the one you would want to go for. And yeah, you can check their website out, syncrowerkz.com.sg, and you can see all the different packages that they have. Yeah. Okay guys, so I just finished my service at Syncrowerkz. So I just finished the 5W40 oil service. I know over here it says 5W30, but yeah, just ignore that. I don't know why they put 5W30, but I did the 5W40 liquid moly 5W40 oil service. And yeah, you can see here they also did a road safety inspection report where they take the current you know, where they note down the current condition of your car. So for example, the brake pads, the brake rotors, the tire pressure, battery health and all that. So yeah, you can see how much it has worn from this service to the next service. So overall, yeah, it's a very comprehensive service, I have to say. They not only change the oil on your car, but they also do a sort of inspection report on your car to see whether it's you know, so you know whether your car is good for the road or not. Yeah, so overall damage for today is $164 for this service. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.